This harness that is not going to be needed for anything. That's fucking idler sounding nice. Nice as. You want to get whipped by that one? Oh my god. It's out. I knew there was something. I think it's still good.
Yeah, it's good.
That was tight, tight, loose, tight, loose, tight, 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 tight. This is like fucking 4 loose. Alright, so we got this thing halfway torn down and we didn't quite find anything, but this is one I heard that was kind of ticking. It was slightly, it wasn't a knock. It doesn't feel like we lost one of the rod bearings, and it spins over just fine still, but I thought it was going to be a lifter collapsed or some kind of a damage, but we did not see that. So we'll keep tearing her down, but so far this looks, both blocks actually look really good. So these are good cores, good heads, 799s. I mean, they're okay, not too crazy. I mean, we would like to concentrate on the 6.2s and 6.0s, but these 5.3s, Gen 4s, pretty good. I had bent the shit out.
Did it?
You see it? Yeah. Oh! It's stuck in there. That's not good.
So don't use the push rod.
I've seen people do it. So much better when you use a proper tool. Crazy. Wow. Definitely on this one. Like the rings were stuck and the combustion was making past it. Cause this fucker's, I mean, look at that. That's all burnt up oil and everything. Yeah, I can't. The rings won't turn. This oil control, these will, but these oil controls, that's stuck. And that's the same problem that happens on 6.2s too. Lack of oil changes will get you that. And the piston's actually mint. It's just, yeah, it's just caked. This whole oil ring is just caked. Every piston came out mint. All the skirts have no damage whatsoever. There's just a lot of oil buildup, and you can see how the combustion was making it past it, and also you're seeing all of this that's a ring wash, so oil is making it past that also. These bottom rings are the oil control ones. They're fucking stuck. They don't move. There's no way these fucking things. Yeah, there you go. Look how cake this is. This is fucking gross. So, good for us, sucks for them. Bearing, you know. This is just a little bit of oil still on the bearings, and it fucker spins like butter. Alright, we got some engines right here, so that's those two blocks that we just tore down. I'm gonna make a W16 for my Bugatti. Maybe, just kidding. But this, I'm thinking of storing them like that now because they take up a lot less room. Because as you can see, we got engines here, and there's a lot of them. But these turned out to be a good cores. Cranks are good, blocks are good, heads are good, and that's what we look for in a good cores. So today was a profit. Big.